Hey, do, tree, car. Chord, 2, 3, chord. Chord, 2, 3, chord. Chord, 2, 3, chord. Chord, 2, chord, chord. Chord, 2, 3, chord. Chord, 2, 3, chord. Chord, 2, 3, chord. Chord, 2, chord. Ítach. 1, 2, 3, 4. And A, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, D. A, 2, 3, A, G, 2, A, D. A, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, D. A, 2, 3, A, G, 2, A, D. Ítach. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, A, D, A, G, A, D, A, G, A, D. Mahu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ítach. Mahu. Let's talk about where the chords come in for the second part, right? So it's going to have a chord on 1 and 4, then a chord on 1, 2, 3 and 4, then a chord on 1, 2, 3 and 4 again, and finally a chord on 1 and 4. Okay, so let's try that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Chord, 2, 3, chord, 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 2, 3, chord. Okay? Well done. Let's try twice in a row. Ready, go. Chord, 2, 3, chord, 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 2, 3, chord. Chord, chord, 2, 3, chord, 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 2, 3, chord. Mahu. Okay, so the chords are D, A, okay, then D, G, A, D, then D, E, B, A, and then A, D. Okay, so let's try saying those notes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, A, D, G, A, D, D, E, B, A, and A, 2, 3, D. D, 2, 3, A, D, G, A, D. D, E, B, A, and A, 2, 3, D. Mahu. Hang, do, tree, car. D, 2, 3, A, D, G, A, D. D, E, B, A, and A, 2, 3, D. D, 2, 3, A, D, G, A, D. D, E, B, A, and A, 2, 3, D. Okay, put in something a little funky at the end there, but you know what? It's all harmonic colour. Ready, go. D, 2, 3, A, D, G, A, D, D, E, B, A, D, D, 2, 3, A, D, G, A, D, D, E, B, A, D. Okay, Mahu. 2, 3, 4.